Hi, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to sell an NFT asset using the INS auction. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click Web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in. So now that you are logged into your wallet, we can start selling the NFT. So first of all, you're going to have to click here, then onto profile, and after that go to collected assets. And as you can see, here are my assets. And I'm going to be selling the Metapro energy. So I have to click sell and choose the initial NFT selling option, also known as the INS auction. So now I have to click choose. And as you can see, I'm already starting. So first of all, we have to start with the time frame. So in how long it starts, I'm going to put 1 minute. The duration of the auction, I'm going to put 1 hour and 30 minutes. And the earnings, so here I'm going to put in the price of 1 BUSD. The minimum cap, so the minimum that has to be bought so that you actually receive the NFT, I'm going to put in 1. And the maximum, I'm going to put 3, so the maximum NFT assets that can be bought. Now I'm also going to have multiple deposits per user enabled. Basically what that is that one user can buy more than one NFT asset, and I'm going to accept the referral program. Now this is just an example, you can put this however you want, so I'm going to put in 10 for 1. As you can see, the maximum percentage value for a referral fee is 15%, but you don't have to do 15%, it can only be like 10 and for example 2, and it doesn't have to be all levels, so you can just put 15 on level 1 and that's it. But just for an example, I'm going to put 10, 4 and 1. And after you've done all that and you have accepted the NFT Meta Asset policy, if you want to read it, you just have to click here. You can just confirm this and click on confirm. And after that, I open the mobile app, click confirm, and put in my passcode. As you can see, I have created an INS. Here we can see the price, the estimated amount, the minimum and maximum cap. There is also a 5% market fee. You can also see the referral code, the auction ID, and then how long it starts, and then how long it ends. Now, if you want to see where this is, all you need to do is just head on to assets, click on marketplace, and as you can see, it's saying incoming, and it should say active soon. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you a second way that you can sell your NFT. All you have to do is click here, go to NFT, and as you can see, you just have to click sell, and then choose your asset. And after you've done that, you can start doing it the same way. And now as you can see, it is active. It's going to end in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now, when it comes to INS, there is also a very important function called finalizing that the buyer or the seller has to do when the INS auction ends, but I will explain that in a different tutorial.